everyone. We are Team 5 and I'm Ananya IM and here are my teammates Shankar Sai, Rashmi HM, Anil Kumar and Malik Rihan. And today we are going to present a cooperative analysis between Windows 10 and Linux Mint operating systems. The main objective of this experiment is to evaluate how both system performs while running as virtual machines under the same hardware conditions. We focused on key operating system functions such as CPU handling, memory management, process handling, file system behavior, and resource allocation. By observing both systems under identical workloads, our goal was to identify which OS is more efficient and suitable for different types of computing environments. And the next part will be continued by Shankar.
Yeah, this is Shankar Sai Ian, and today I'm the member too, and I'm going to take the part experimental setup. So for this experiment, we have used Oracle VirtualBox as our virtualization tool, and the host system run Windows 11 with the Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB of SSD storage. So now the two guest virtual machines were created, one for Windows 10 and another for Linux Mint. Both were configured with the two CPU cores, 4 GB RAM and 40 GB of dynamic storage each. We we intentionally gave both virtual machines identical hardware allocations to ensure fairness in testing. This allowed us to measure performance differences based purely on the operating system design, not hardware variations. Okay, thank you. The next part will be continued by Rashmi HM.
This is Rashmi HM and my part is implementation steps. The implementation began with the installation of Oracle VirtualBox on the host system. Next, we created two virtual machines, one for Windows 10 and another for Linux Mint. Each ISO file was mounted and installed normally. After installation, we installed VirtualBox guest additions to improve performance and enable hardware acceleration. We then allowed both operating systems to stabilize in an idle state before testing. Each system was observed using its respective monitoring tool. Task Manager for Windows and System Monitor for Linux to record CPU usage, memory consumption, and process count.
I am Malik Rihan. My topic is observation, CPU, memory, process count, file system. During observation, we first recorded value in the ideal state and then again while running a web browser in Windows 10. Ideal CPU usage was around 4 to 6% and memory usage about 2.8 GB, increasing to 10 to 18% CPU and 3.8 GB RAM while using Microsoft Edge. In Linux Mint, CPU usage stayed lower around 2 to 3% at ideal and 6 to 9% during workload with memory usage between 1.4 to 2.2 GB. Windows used the NTFS file system while Linux Mint used ext4, which is lighter and more performance oriented. Overall, Linux Mint showed better efficiency with fewer active processor and smoother resource management. Thank you. Next part is for Anil.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anil Kumaram. I am explaining to comparative evolution and conclusion. From our comparison, Linux Mint performed more efficiently than Windows 10 almost every category. It had lower CPU and memory usage, fewer background processes, and faster responsiveness. Windows 10, while more feature-rich and suited for enterprise application, consumed more resource due to its numerous system services. In conclusion, Linux Mint is ideal for lightweight and general purpose computing, especially on low specific system, while Windows 10 remains better for professional and commercial environments requiring higher software compatibility. Thank you.